Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to add a fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy M35 5G for added security and convenience. So to begin, go to your phone settings, scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Select Biometrics. Tap on Fingerprints. Read the overview of fingerprint features. For security, you will need to set a pattern, PIN or password. Tap Continue. Choose your preferred screen lock method and follow the on-screen instructions. For example, select Pattern. Draw your preferred pattern and then tap Continue. Redraw it once more and tap Confirm. Now locate the fingerprint sensor on the right side of your phone, that is on the side key, which is also called as power key. Place your finger on the sensor and follow the prompts. It will show the percentage of completion on the screen. Repeat the process until the scanning is complete. You need to change the position of your finger when prompted to cover the entire finger. Once finished, you will get this message, Fingerprint added. You can add another finger by tapping Add. You can add up to 5 fingerprints. You can complete this later as well. Tap Done to finish adding the fingerprint. The setup is now complete. Now, time to test your fingerprint. So, lock your phone and try to unlock it using your fingerprint. Verify that it works correctly. That's it. You have successfully added a fingerprint to your Samsung Galaxy M35 5G. Enjoy the added security and convenience of unlocking your phone with a simple touch. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.